Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Now, this tool is what's called a digital lux meter. If you shoot a lot of video, you're doing training videos, you're doing product videos, you're doing desktop photography of items for other companies, or just doing different ways of learning how to do lighting of things, this is going to be something that you're going to want to have in your bag of tricks. It's going to help you. It's not going to tell you if you need to add light, but when you look at what you shot in terms of pictures or videos, you will be able to equate what particular lux number is ideal for your situation. Now, I looked and I saw some settings out there that says, oh, you've got to have 800 lux or you've got to have 1,000 lux. I don't know that I want to blind myself like that. So this is an experiment I'm doing, and I've had one of these in the past and it got lost in the move. So I'm relearning with this light, but I've used one in the past and it's well worth having because it's going to help you avoid some potentially embarrassing situations. Take a look at this one, get one and figure out how it's going to work best for you. You can also do it in foot candle measurements if that's how you're used to working. So it's got a lot of options to help you out. It works on 3 AAA batteries. As with anything that's battery powered, if you're not going to use it for a while, I would take the batteries out because you don't want those batteries leaking into the meter and then you have to go replace it, because most of the time by the time they leak and you find it, it's too late and you just need to go get another one.